Hello everyone, welcome to channel Click Learning in English version. For the previous video, I always speak in my language but today because of the someone recommended English and want me to show an English version of how to unlock PIN. How to unlock F1 button in English, because he cannot understand Khmer language in Khmer language in the last video. So this is new video. I would like to show you how to unlock F1 pin in English. But I need to tell you that my English is very poor, so I hope that you all don't mind about my English. So now let's go together. What is this pin lock? F1 locking. F1 locking is mean like this. Here, for example, our keyboard like this. Here, if your keyboard is locked by F1 button, when we press this number, it means that when we press the letter J, letter K, letter L, M, it will not disappear. It will not show up letter J, or letter K, or letter L. It will show up letter. It will show up number 1, number 2. Okay. For example, on normal keyboard, K, yes. J, L. But if your keyboard was locked by the F1 button, it will show like this. When you type J, but show number 1. When you type K, show number 2, show number 3. Okay, it will be like this. After you unlock J, yes, see. So I've unlocked. Unlocking is like this. So how to unlock? So I want to show you how to unlock. If your son or your daughter plays your computer and she press on the F1 button locking, you will show this can help you. So I will write in English to show you in this video. To unlock F1 button, hold on F1 button, then press number 2, then press F2, then press F2. Understand what I mean? I mean that you have to press this and hold. After that, you press F2 to unlock. If you want to lock, okay, how to lock? Lock F1 button. It looks the same. Hold on F1 button, then press F2. Number 2, the same, to lock. So this function here, you can see F1, hold it, and then you press number 2. So the problem of F1 locking will not disappear again. So, but if you want to lock the button, you want to use this to write the number, you can hold F1 button and then press number 2. Okay, I hope you enjoy this video. So thank you very much for watching. Okay, so now please don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more new update. Okay, thank you very much. Goodbye.